Hi traders and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at yet another good tool, interesting tool called the Switch AI, that one. So once you click it and open it like that, let it propagate and then input your stake depending on your capital. We will work with $15 and then leave the average threshold at 15%. And then you can lock the first volatility, example that one, and there we are lucky, we locked and got an entry, and you're in the market and you saw the run button blink. So once it blinks and opens, it means the bot has been loaded, your stake has been input, and then you simply run. Okay, this was a bit fast, but you'll see other entries. So currently we are trading odd, and you can see even odd there, 15.1%. It hit the threshold. Then, of course, the other factors being looked into, and then we got the entry. So let us see how it's going to perform, but so far, not bad. As usual, we are targeting 3 times our stake, and we've hit our take profit. You can see there $50. $50 made. And then, like I was saying, you normally lock and watch like that, okay? So once you've locked and watched like that, once the entry opens up, give it some time, let the run button blink and open back, and then that is when you can run. Once you get the green, go ahead and beep, okay? So we are looking at even odd there, and you can see it can trade even odd. We have an entry over 3 and rise and fall. So we have an entry like that in the market. Let us see how it goes. You can see we're trading $15. That is our stake. Targeting 3 times of that and we are out, okay? Let's see. And boom, we've made $54, okay? You can see we only lost one contract. Let's refresh everything. So guys, this is the Switch AI. It can give you good entries, as you can see, but as usual, no tool is 100% perfect. So try it out on demo and then decide whether to go live. Of course, control your stake, and that is the procedure. You load the first volatility that has been picked, and then you watch and wait, okay? So we are waiting there again for even odd. Once it reaches the threshold and then other factors in place, we get the green on and beep, and then we run the bot, okay? So again, you can see volatility has kind of come to the second slot. You can stop watching like that and then click the first one. There is volatility 51s, even odd. Okay, so always use the first one that has been presented to you. That one is the one that is most likely to give you good entries, or most likely aligning with the parameters that have been set, okay? For either even odd, over 3 and a 6, and there it will alternate depending on the logic provided by the bot, or in regards to also your winning and recovery, and then it can also trade rise and fall, okay? So let's see whether we can get another entry. Always be patient. And then, of course, if you're totally new, to go to the site, it's trade.profitmaxtrader.com. All the links are below the video, okay? And then remember to join the Telegram group, because that is where you'll always get updates whenever I release a video, whenever I release any new educational content in regards to Deriv trading. And then I also send occasionally signals in the Telegram channel. So make sure to also click the links below and join the Telegram group, okay? So let's see here again, let's lock 51s. It's as simple as that. Most of the heavy lifting in terms of logic analysis has been done for you. You lock and then you wait and watch, okay? Always give it some time. It plays around like that. Let's see, because I can see the percentages there. You can see they're very low, 6%, 8%, 2.3. The moment you see them coming up to 15 is when you can start locking the fast volatility that is provided. You can see those percentages there, they're still very low. So, and we want close to 15%. Okay. Once you see them close, you can lock like that. Because there you can see over 3 and 8 at 10%. And you can see the tool is already picking that. It's going to give us entry. Once everything aligns on over 3, recovery, under 6. So you can see how AI has really helped beginner traders. Most of these contracts here already right now, you can see we have even odd over 3, under 6, and rise and fall on one panel. Otherwise, doing this manually, it means now you'd only be observing even odd. You would not be observing over 3 or under 6 or rise and fall. But this tool provides those 3 analyses for those trade types at the same time. Okay. So let's observe. We've come back to 25 oneness, even odd. And you can see even odd is almost reaching 15% at 12.7. Once you get an entry, give it some time, it will load the bot and then open up the run button. Okay. Don't feel like you'll be late. Everything has been calculated here. It works very well. As usual, stop watching and then you can lock. There we have 50. That is over 3 over 6. Okay. So we've entered with that one. And you can see the first trade is a loss there. That was over 3. We got 3 directly. We've recovered. Of course, volatility 50 is a bit slow. That is why you see the trades coming in slow. But already there you can see that was under 6. Over 3. Under 6. Okay. Then, of course, you're always at liberty to stop the bot manually. You can clearly see that this is the trade that you're observing. You are seated there, you're observing. In case, let's say, even if you don't hit the take profit, but at least you've made something, you can stop, analyze again, okay? You can always stop. You can see the clear button there. Right now, we've got very good wins, lost only 2. You can even decide to stop at that and then analyze again, okay? The recovery in terms of hitting take profit for the over and under market is not the same as even odd or rise and fall, okay? Depending on which digits you're trading. So in our case here in this tool, even odd will make you hit those profits faster. Also rise and fall because the payout is much higher. You can see we are taking trades comfortably. And then you can always stop the bot in case you see you've made some amount. Analyze again, and that is how you can grow your account, okay? So this tool is available. Try it out on demo. We've taken long there, a bit long. Those are 17 runs, and you can see contracts won 11, contracts lost 6. So let's stop at least with some profits. Let's recover, and then we stop to avoid the video from being too long. And then again, never trade over 12 runs. It means the market will also change, okay? But at least you made $19.23 there. With these synthetic indices, you don't want to trade for too long. Best trades are maximum 12. Best around 8, 7. 8, 7, you're out, okay? So let's see. I have shown you that is how you normally lock. And then you want to lock the volatility that has been presented as the first one, guys, okay? That is a Switch AI tool available at trade.profitmaxtrader.com. It trades even odd over 3 under 6 and rise and fall, guys, okay? So check it out. Very good tool. Let me hear your feedback below the video. And happy trading. Remember to join the Telegram group, WhatsApp groups. All the links are below the video. Okay. So happy trading and good luck. See you on my next video. Remember to subscribe on YouTube. Feel free to leave your comments in the comments section. Happy trading and good luck.